As far as I'm concerned, I don't want to get myself involved in the crisis in Rivers State because what is happening there, everybody knows that has happened in almost every state in the past. So it's just a lesson to those people who want people to succeed them. But my advice generally to the people is that we should learn to maintain peace. It's only when we have a peaceful environment that more oil will flow and more money will come into the coffer of government, more development will now come to the people. But when there's crisis in the oil region, then the entire nation is in trouble. Like about 3 weeks ago when the Escravos, there was a problem in Escravo, of which I also had to visit the Olu of Ori. We saw what happened. There was a drop in the production of oil. And that we don't want, and government does not want to see anything like that. That's why whenever there's crisis in the Niger-Delta area, we make sure that the problem is solved immediately in order not to disrupt the oil production.
Do you think the intervention of the president is enough to douse the tension in that state?
Well, of course, the president is the leader of the country, and they have to respect him. And the governor, of course, has said that he's going to implement the decision, the outcome of that very meeting. And if he promised that he's going to implement the decision of that meeting, I don't see anything that will make the problem to reoccur again. So I'm sure they will learn to work together once the decisions are implemented. Well, you know yourself now. I'm a minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so they are happy that one of their sons is a minister. And moreover, I have been in the politics of Isako and Edo North and Edo State for quite a long time, and they have always supported me. They've always voted for me. I think in all the elections I got myself involved, I have always won. And to that extent, the people are happy with me. The people of Isako, the entire people of Edo North. So it's because of my past antecedents, because when I was in power, at least in the National Assembly, I did quite a number of things, and that's why they are happy with me.
Okay, with this position, what will you be giving back to the community?
They just have to wait. In a very short time, they will see. At least the essence of being in power is to be able to bring development. At least we have just prepared our budget. By the time the budget is operational, they will see what I have for the community and for the people of Isako and Edo North and the entire Niger-Delta that are served. I will have a lot for them by the grace of God.
Well, you can see that in the Niger-Delta, some of the states that are crises here and there because of power. We don't have that in Edo State. You are in the position to also advise some other political actors, particularly in that River State. What would be your advice to this crisis in River State?
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.